Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. We work from left to right. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So 4 divided by 8 divided by 2. Now 4 divided by 8 can be written as 4 over 8. And divided by 2. Let's simplify this fraction. 4 divided by 2 gives us, 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So we have 1 over 2 divided by 2. And now, according to the KCF rule, 1 over 2 divided by 2 can be written as 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, and this is equal to 1 over 2 times 2, which equals 4, and 1 over 4 equals 0.25. So our final answer to this problem is just 0.25.